Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Today, guys, we'll show you if you have a car that's misfiring, that's trying to die, that all of a sudden it starts going again and then it tries to die and even dies. We'll show you what could that be. It happened to us the other day. We were driving that Hyundai Elantra, guys, and engine light came on. The car was misfiring really bad. I mean, he died at a traffic light. It started again. We drove it for a little bit and it died. And I couldn't figure out what it was. But I had one of the scanners in the car, so stay with us to see what codes we got, what it could be, and how we fix that. So we'll get the scanner out, guys, and I'm going to see what exactly it could be. Okay, stay with us. It's something that not very many people think of, but it could cause you quite a bit of headache. And this one, guys, will relate to almost any vehicle. So, of course, it could be different solution to the problem, but we'll have that covered as well in our video. So you will need to find, okay, the OBD port right here for the car, and we'll connect the scanner now. Okay, and let's see the codes that we get now. We have to have the ignition on. Okay, so let's connect now quick and see what information we have. As I told you, the car just didn't perform good at all. It was misfiring really bad. It was lacking, like the symptoms was like it didn't have enough fuel. So we have 4 codes. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's read the codes now. Okay, and check out what we have, guys. Cylinder number 4 misfire, cylinder number 1 misfire, cylinder number 2 misfire as well, random multiple misfires, misfire detected, and everything relates to misfire, right? So you might think it's spark plugs, but in our case it's not, guys, because spark plugs, we inspected them, everything's good, and you will not have 4 spark plugs go bad all at the same time. That just doesn't happen. And this thing happened about 10 miles after we got some gas. We filled it up, 10 minutes later we were dying. The car was dying down the road. So we thought it's something gas related. We checked fuel pump, it had pressure. And next thing that we did, we unhooked the fuel line. We removed the injectors, the whole fuel rail was full of water. Yes, guys, you heard it right, it was water. Winter time, some condensation in the fuel tanks, and I guess, I don't know when it happens, we just got it in the tank somehow. So, what saved us, guys? I just stopped at the next gas station and I got a bottle of heat. Okay, you can see gas line, antifreeze, and water remover. Okay, that thing, it's very inexpensive and it treats up to 20 gallons of gas. The fuel tank on this thing is only 12.8 and we were full all the way up. So that bottle, guys, and 10 minutes later driving down the road, the car was driving like new again with absolutely no problems. So that's something I would recommend, guys. You use once in a while something like that, water remover additive, because especially winter time that could happen. And it's very inexpensive, so make sure you do that so something like that doesn't happen to you, because we were almost in the middle of the intersection when the car died and that was no fun, believe it. Had to push it out of the way. So quick video, guys, about that. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and see you guys next time. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.